Aluminum CNC bending machine.
Set up the mold. Place the profile. 3 rotating wheels hold the profile. When held tightly, there is no gap. Setup procedure. Set to auto mode and press the position button. This wheel did not detect the profile. Adjustments are required to ensure profiles can be detected. The button goes to manual for adjustment. Make sure the detection wheel can detect the outermost part of the profile. When the indicator is on, the adjustment is complete. Go to automatic mode, press the start button. And the machine will start officially. Be sure to install the mold when installing. The bending speed and number are adjustable.